how to buy meme coins on Solana. So what you're gonna have to do is simply use any crypto exchange or wallet. So now I'm using Phantom Wallet for this tutorial. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply buy some Solana or simply send it from another crypto exchange. So you can simply tap on Solana and then tap on receive, and you have your address right here. So you can basically receive Solana on this address, or you can simply tap on buy, then select Solana and choose the amount of Solana that you want to buy. Then you're gonna have to simply go to this token section of Phantom Wallet, and then here you're gonna have to select Solana where it says network, and here you can find all meme coins. Now these are the top meme coins on the Solana chain, but you can search for any token here at the top, and then you're gonna have to simply exchange Solana with these tokens. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.